Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, my voice. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Fine. 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 Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. And
Afternoon, sir.
myself, Prasant Sharma, and I will be your instruction throughout this term for statistics one. Okay. Basically, me and Isan sir both will be your instructor. So, any one of you have a doubt regarding practice activity of week one, so you can ask one by one, and please ask one by one so that uh, everyone's doubt will be clear in a easy way. So, okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
I am audible.
Yeah. You are audible.
Sir, please summarize the scale of measurements.
Okay.
And I have a doubt in some question, like activity question 1.3, question number 3, activity question 1.4, question number 3 and 4.
Okay. One by one.
Okay, sir.
My screen is visible.
Yeah.
Which activity?
Sir, first explain the scale of measurement, then I will ask questions.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah. See, we generally we have 4 scales of measurement. Okay. First one is nominal. Sorry. And second one is ordinal. Third one is interval. And fourth one is ratio. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, categorical data and numerical data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally, nominal and ordinal, these two, and ordinal. Yeah. These two are used for categorical data. Okay. And see, nominal is one in which suppose you have categorical data in which you have categories like, and you cannot order. Okay. There is not, suppose you have two categories of gender. One is men and one is suppose women. Okay. So you cannot order these two categories. Okay. So these types of category comes under the nominal scale of measurement. Okay. Suppose you have data of blood group. Okay. So this will comes under the nominal scale of measurement. And for ordinal, it will use for categorical data as well as you can order. Like suppose you have t-shirt sizes. Okay. So you can order, right? Extra small, then medium, then large, then sorry, excellent. So this type of data will come under the ordinal scale of measurement. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Fine. See, and third one comes interval scale of measurement. And in interval, properties of ordinal is it's satisfy the properties of ordinal, meaning in this you can compare as well order like things. Suppose, and interval basically used for numerical. Interval and ratio both are used for numerical. Initially, nominal and ordinal is used for categorical, and interval and ratio scale used for numerical data. Okay. See, interval scale is used when in interval scale you can perform addition or subtraction type things. Okay, and it has yeah, you cannot perform multiplication and division. See, if you have watched the video, you have heard about the absolute zero property. Have you heard about this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, in interval scale, there is absence of this property. Absolute zero means absence of something. Suppose I'm saying 0 pen. That means there is no pen. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So interval is clear, right?
So what do you mean by we can add and subtract in interval?
It's interval scale used for numerical data. Okay.
Yeah.
And if any data which satisfies the addition, subtraction, and no absolute zero property.
Sir, can you explain with the example?
Yeah, sure. Suppose I'm saying you have temperature. Okay. Suppose 20 degrees Celsius. You category of suppose 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, like this. Okay. So you can add and subtract, right? This will be 30 degrees Celsius. Suppose if you remember, ma'am has said, suppose you out of room, suppose there is 20 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay. And inside room, suppose there is 10 degrees Celsius temperature. So you can say there is difference of 10 degrees Celsius. There is difference of the temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. Rather than you can't say like outside temperature is twice the inside temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, and no absolute zero means, suppose I'm saying 0 degrees Celsius, that means that doesn't means there is absence of temperature. There is some temperature.
Yeah,
Okay.
I understood, sir.
Yeah, and it can minus 1 degree Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius, like this. It can take. So for a simple trick, you can remember, if values goes negative, then it will be in interval scale. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is ratio scale of measurement. In ratio scale of measurement, you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with absolute zero property. Okay. Suppose you have some numerical data marks. Suppose I'm saying. So suppose you have marks. Someone marks has 25, and someone has 35 and 78, like this, 80 and 40. Okay. So in this you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. Suppose I'm saying suppose this is marks of Ramesh and this is marks of Suresh. Okay. So if you divide by this, so you will get 2 times. So you can say marks of Ramesh is twice the marks of Suresh.
Yeah.
Okay, because it has absolute zero property. See, in ratio scale, suppose I'm saying 0 marks. That is, there is no marks.
Yeah.
Okay. So in general, absolute zero property will satisfied in the ratio scale of measurement. Okay. And there is absence of absolute zero property in interval scale of measurement. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So for the number of cylinders of a car, is it gonna be interval or ratio?
Number of cylinders.
Because we can multiply the number of cylinders, right? But
yeah,
there is no absolute zero.
See, there is absolute zero.
So how come a car be without any cylinders?
No, that is not meaning. See, suppose I'm saying 0 kg weight. Okay, that means there is absence of that thing.
Yes.
That thing is not present. I'm saying suppose 0 cylinder. So that means there is no cylinder. It does not mean car is running without cylinder, that also. It's general concept of zero properties satisfied or not. Okay.
Sir, if a mark sheet is there, but instead of marks there are grades A plus, B plus, like this, then what scale it will be?
A plus, B plus, right?
It will be
See,
Ordinal.
it will be, I think, interval, and accordingly,
True.
what is the parameter of this? Suppose if you go for the GPL kinds, so it will be, I think, 4 to 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's 4 to 10. So suppose someone has, see, in this absolute zero is not present. Suppose
sir.
someone has got
Yes, sir.
4 GPA and someone has got 8 GPA. Okay, so you can't say,
Yes.
right, ki 8 GPA is twice than the 4 GPA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will comes under the interval scale.
Hello.
Yeah, who is this? Please mute yourself, okay, and ask one by one, please.
Hello.
Yeah,
Like,
and yeah,
Hello.
is GPA ordinal because we compare like A plus is greater than B plus?
see, it's depend on your data. Okay, if it's given in the categorical form category, then it will be ordinal.
Sir, how it fall under interval category?
See, suppose if your numerical data, so see, for example, I'm saying you have rating like bad, average, good. Okay, if you're given this type of data, so it will be ordinal.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right? And
Yeah.
suppose
Yes, sir.
I'm saying don't go with this. I'm saying you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 star, suppose 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and 4 star. So it will comes under the interval, because there is some difference, some subtraction, some addition you can perform.
I am talking about grades. A plus, B
Yeah,
plus.
that's why I'm
So
giving
how
this
it fall
example.
under interval section?
This one, right? You are talking about this one, right?
No, sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
GPA one, A1, B1.
Okay, see, if you are given only A1, B1, C1, D1, then it will be ordinal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And what was your question from activity?
Sir, activity question 1.3, question number 3.
One second. Date and day of week. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about this?
Sir, I think date is numerical and day is categorical.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have same doubt, sir.
See. Date and day of week. Categorical data, you can code it. You can label it. Like suppose I'm labeling A1 as 1, and labeling B1 as 2, and labeling C1 as 3, and labeling D1 as 4. You know this thing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then it will also come under the ordinal.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if we coded that gender, sir, male for 1 and female for 2. Sir, and then it will be under ordinal, sir, or nominal?
No. See, you are coding, right? And you are coded like male as 1, female as 2.
Yes, sir.
In general, suppose you are saying this will come under the ordinal. So that means you are saying that female is greater than male.
No, sir.
Okay, so that is not male. You can code, but what code you have done.
Okay. So basically we can't difference between them, sir.
Yeah. See, interval scale will be used. Then some mathematical meaning you can perform, mathematical operation you can perform. See, so day you are clear, this will comes under the categorical data. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Date will also be categorical, because suppose today is I think 2nd January. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And suppose see, Today 2nd January and 31st was an, I think it was on Friday, right? 31st December. It was on Friday, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, whatever. See, suppose you can perform on Friday it was 31 and on I think Sunday it is 2nd. Okay. So suppose I'm subtracting. Okay. It will be 29. So it is meaningful. You can say like there is a difference on 29 days of 31 to 2.
Oh, sir. Now I understood.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Understood.
Yeah,
Okay.
my doubt
I
was
have
clear.
same doubt.
Yeah,
But
that's
I
why
got confused because it has numerical values.
yeah,
that's why.
many people got confused, like it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 30 like this. Yeah, next one. What
So my question, activity 1.4.
Yeah, let him complete. I think
Sir,
he has
Sir, I
2
have
to
a
3.
question on activity 1.4, question number 3 and 4.
Yeah, my question is also question 3 from activity
Okay,
1.4.
fine.
Same question, sir.
Yeah, sir, I do have a doubt on it.
Why is ordinal not interval? Like quite confused.
Question 3 and 4. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. 3 is 1 second. A survey has been conducted to determine the amount of time. Okay, student below the age of less than 30. Yeah. See, it will. I think answer is ordinal, right?
Yes. But why not it's interval?
Yeah. I'm explaining. What is your 4 category? Less than 30.
Sir, can you please take
Your voice is breaking.
cases?
Sorry. Your voice is broke, I think. Yeah. Next one was 45 to 60 and more than 60. Okay. Right. See.
Yes, sir.
In interval, you know the difference between the intervals should be same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And suppose let it be. You know, in interval data, you can perform some meaningful mathematical operation.
It's addition and subtraction.
Yeah, whatever. See, suppose you can perform in this interval and you can perform in this interval. Okay. There is difference of 15 minutes. There is also difference of, but here you don't know how much less than. It can be 0 to 30. It can be 28 to 30 minutes. It can be 27 to 30 minutes. It can be 15 to 30 minutes. Anything. Okay. So this is just a category.
Yeah.
Okay. And it is more than 60. How much more than? It can be 60 to 100 minutes, 60 to 160 minutes. And you, if you remember, in interval scale, difference between the interval of the values will be a fixed. You know, it will be like the same.
Constant. Yes, sir.
Constant. Suppose there will be 15.
In an interval scale, the ratio are same.
No. In interval, you can't perform ratio. I'm saying difference between the.
Sorry, it's my mistake. And difference
between different. Yeah. Difference. Suppose you have category like this: 15 to 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60, and 60 to 75. Then it will be interval scale.
Yes, limits. Yeah.
So, but it need not to be the same difference. We can just, if the scale of measurement, unit of measurement is same, we can also say that it's an internal scale, no? Interval scale.
Can you repeat?
In the interval scale, it's not necessary that we should have a specific scale. It's a defined scale key, that is, if it's 15 to 30, at a specific means difference is same between the scales. If it's not even, then we can decide it's an interval scale, no?
Yeah, and you can perform addition and subtraction like this. Okay. And one thing, there is, you know, absence of there is absence of absolute zero property as well. No, I think there is presence of absolute zero property, if you say.
Here.
See, I mean, it can be like, it can be like 0 to 30, right?
Okay.
Then it will be ratio.
Okay.
So in the previous question, if the
difference between the interval is not same, then despite it will be interval 15 to 30, 30 to 40.
15 to 30, 30 to 40.
Then it will be interval or not. Difference between the intervals are not same here.
And yeah, what is your thought about
my question is, sir, then it will be interval scale of measurement.
Okay. See, if there is absence of zero property, just see, apply the remaining properties. Is there is absence of zero property, absolute zero property, addition will satisfy, and subtraction, then it will be interval. Okay.
Okay.
See, it's depend on the data actually. You can't say in general like, but
actually, the interval should be same for all, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. It should be same. Or can I say 0 to 5 and 6 to 8?
I think it's not about same. It should be about
one by one.
12 to 14.
One by one. One by one, please.
Yeah, this one only. These interval duration should be same throughout the interval. The difference in the interval.
It should be same.
Yeah, I think.
Can I say 0 to 5
actually, see,
9?
Listen to me. I will check this property, but as I can remember.
Because if you have a scale which is like 0 to 5, then 5 to 50, then it cannot be interval because gap is not the
5
same.
to 50. Yes.
Yeah, I think
the gap should be 5.
Yeah. I think I can
difference
remember.
between the interval is not
See. Listen to me. I will check this property, but as I can remember, interval should be same. Okay. But I will clarify in the next session. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I have one more doubt related to this.
Yeah.
We have denied that this is the interval scale just because it's there is a term named as more than 60, and we cannot define exactly how much more than 60.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. And you don't know and how much is less than 30. So you
Less
can
than
consider.
Basically, we are rating 0 to 30, 35 to 45. That's why it's ordinal, right?
And you can say like it's a only category, like less than 30 category. It's a one category, first category, and this is the second category, and this is the third category, and this is the fourth category. And if you see, this is in order. Okay, this is the 30 to 45 is much more than less than 30, and 40. This category is much more than this
basically
one,
we are grading.
Yeah, you can say.
You can directly also say it is ordinal because there are words involved like more than, less than. So it comes under categorical. So it will directly be ordinal and not interval.
Sir, think so because
please
there's no
explain
specific value here, right?
Yeah,
because of that it is.
Ask one by one. Yeah.
Sir, please explain absolute property, zero property.
Okay, see. Absolute zero property means?
It means a difference between an interval and an ordinal ratio scale.
Yeah, it's a very specific property which differentiate between the interval and ratio. Okay.
But I not understand between a interval and ratio scale difference.
Okay. See, let me suppose you have marks of students. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And suppose and I'm saying 0 marks. See, absolute zero property satisfies me. Suppose I'm saying 0, that means absence of that thing. Suppose I'm saying 0 marks, that means there is no marks.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm saying 0 pen, that means there is no pen.
Yes.
Right. And absence of absolute zero property means there is something. Suppose I'm saying temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay. And I'm saying 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. That doesn't mean there is no temperature. You can't say like this. Okay. If there is 0 degrees Celsius, that means there is some temperature. And
so
it can
absolute
be
zero meaning there is a meaning of 0.
Yeah, meaning of 0 means absence of that thing. Suppose and it violated this property, then it will be interval. It's a simple trick.
So like we can't tell 0 AM means no time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And suppose
But mark 0 has value.
Yeah, mark
zero
0 has a value.
And in a ratio, you can perform multiplication and division as well.
So if we say marks of a student less than 20 is bad and more than 20 is good, is it interval? Is it ordinal?
Ordinal. Suppose I'm I said initially it depends on the data. Means suppose I'm saying a category less than 20 marks. Okay. And I'm giving this student like I'm coding as you can say 1. Yeah, suppose I'm as D and 20 to 35. So I'm coding as C. 35 to 70. I'm coding as B and 70 and above. So I'm coding as A. So it's ordinal.
If there was no grading like DCPA, then it is interval.
Sorry. See, if you are making this category and it's it's an order, so it will be ordinal. I can code it like 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 anything.
Sir, but what happens to the number if it's become negative?
And see, if
marks,
it's see, if suppose I'm saying 0 degree Celsius and then I'm saying -1 degree Celsius, then it will be interval scale. Initially, a simple trick you can say, if value of something goes in negative, then it will be interval scale.
Sir.
Sir, how phone number is unstructured data?
One by one. Please ask one by one. Yeah.
Number of cylinders, sir, how can I understand it?
See, one by one. I see. Actually, if you doing like this, then it will be more difficult to me and you also
So you
clarify.
can take the questions on basis of hand raises.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm now onwards I'm going with the hand raise.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Excuse me, sir. I want to say something related to this.
Okay. Yeah.
So someone just said that we have ordinal characteristics in the previous question, the question number 3 from 1.4, so that it's not an interval scale. Is it true? And how can it be?
No. Can you repeat your?
Okay. Yeah. In this third question, someone just said. Hello.
Who is this? Yeah, please ask. Please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much. Someone just said that the given question, in the given question, the properties we can see are the ordinal properties. Therefore, it's not in the interval scale. Is it true? And if yes, how can it be?
Actually, I did not get your question. Meaning,
no, so actually, what I was saying on basis of this is because there are words involved, right? Like less than and more than.
No. Don't go with that. Okay.
And also, yeah, the interval should also be the same.
Yeah. See. Just what is properties of ordinal? It will apply for the categorical data.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can order or rank.
Yes.
Fine. See, there is 4 category less than 30. Okay. 35 to 45. 30 to 45, 45 to 60, and more than 60. Okay. So this is category 1. This is category 2. Sorry. This is category 3, and this is the category 4. And you are in a way you are ordering like this, these 4 category, this one, then this one, and then this one. That's why it comes under the ordinal scale of measurement.
Okay, so we don't have a defined scale. That's less than 60, less than 30, and more than 60 are not defined. That's why it's interval scale.
Suppose it's starting from 0 to 30, then there is a absolute 0 property.
Yes, sir. So we can take it under ratio also.
Ratio. Okay. See, scale of measurements actually depends on the data, type of data, which type of data, and which type of study you want to apply on
The
that.
context of question.
Yeah, it depends on the context of this. Yeah,
So
fine.
can you please look at the question AQ 1.2, question number 5?
Yeah, 1 minute, and I think he has fourth one question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fourth one, I think it comes under the interval.
Yeah, but I think it's ordinal.
Yeah. You can say.
Sir, please explain.
Yeah, there is rating 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah.
Okay. See, there is not mentioned like coding. You have coded 1 as bad, and 2 as poor, and 3 as average, 4 as good, and 5 as very good. Is it mentioned? Not.
Sir, but how can it come under interval category?
Yeah. See, it's a numerical.
Okay, sir, I understand.
And
but sir, difference
we can
all
take
the
average of it.
And difference between
all the ratings, it's not defined in the question. It's same.
But when we are talking about rating, we can say one is
rate of the book on the
greater than
scale
2.
of 1 to 5. What kind of? Yeah, I think it will be interval, right? See, it's a difference between each is you can achieve difference between each is 1, right? And it's clear, and you can find a average rating like this as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think, and now I will go on.
Sir, I have one more question.
Yeah.
The practice assignment 2, question number 3. This is last.
Okay, fine. Practice 1.2, right?
1.2, yeah.
Question number
3.
3. This one, right? Yeah. What kind of variable is rating given by each user to an app? Yeah, it's a discrete numerical.
So can you explain first what is discrete and what is continuous?
Okay. Yeah, I think answer is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me check.
So then why is fourth continuous?
Sorry?
Then why is the answer for fourth continuous? Because it's exactly the same thing.
Third and fourth, right?
Yeah,
okay, fine. I will explain. Yeah, it's a discrete numerical. See. Okay, let me
The discrete has an integer, and the continuous can be decimal values.
No, you can't say like this. Discrete is only integer and decimal is comes under the numerical. See, what is, let me explain. What is discrete? Discrete is something, it can take, a distinct value.
Sorry, sir, I asked wrong question. This one is clear, but I have a doubt in question number 7 and 9.
Okay, no worry. Someone has asked discrete and continuous. So let me complete this, and after that I will come on that question. Okay. See, it takes the distinct value on real number line, and there is a concept of count. Okay. Suppose I'm saying like I think there was one question. I think number of days to finish a project. Okay. So it can 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days.
Count this.
You can count, and on real line you can it can take distinct value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And suppose you have rupees, like suppose I'm saying I have 12.5 rupees. Okay. So this will also discrete, because it can take suppose 12.5 rupees, 13 rupees, 13.5 rupees. Okay.
We can count
it
this
will
also.
take you can count, and it will take distinct value on the real number line.
Okay.
And for continuous, it can take any value between a interval, and there is concept of measurement. If you are measuring something, then it will be continuous. Like suppose I'm saying you are measuring weight of a person. Okay, so it will be continuous. Suppose there is a interval of suppose age group of there is age group of 18 to 20. So generally weight will be around 35 to 50. So if you have 10 people, so weight of 10 people can take any value between this interval, any value. Okay, it can be 37.68, 38.92, like this.
Yes. Okay, sir, understood.
Then concept of measuring, suppose you are measuring the weight in kilogram, it will be continuous. You can measure height in centimeter. Okay, you can measure the speed of a vehicle in which kilometer per hour. So it will be continuous. Suppose see, tell me one thing. Suppose I'm giving to you time taken by a student. Yeah, please mute yourself.
Sir, mute everyone.
So suppose I'm saying time taken by a student to finish the exam. So tell me, what type of variable will be this? Discrete or continuous?
Continuous, sir.
Continuous.
How?
It can take any time, any value in the time range.
Yeah. Suppose your exam
can take 1.5 hours.
Yeah. Suppose exam is 3 hours exam, so it can take 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 52 minutes, anything. So this will, and see, you are measuring the time in hour. So if there is concept of measurement, okay, some units, weight of a person, you can measure in kilogram, height of a person you can measure in centimeter, speed of a vehicle you can measure kilometer per hour, okay, time you can measure it. So it will comes under the continuous. And a discrete is one which,
sir,
yeah.
So maximum time given for a particular subject exam, for different subjects exam, that should be called discrete, right?
Yes.
The data.
See, maximum, can you repeat yourself?
So different times given for different subjects. I mean, that has to be discrete, right?
Yeah.
Like 3 hours for maths or 2 hours.
Yeah. Suppose I'm saying there is extra half an hour for math and 40 minutes for English. So that will be discrete. Okay. So just go with the concept of count. If you can count, then it will be discrete, and you can measure, it will be the continuous. Right?
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 1.
Rating be a categorical variable?
Sorry?
Can rating be a categorical variable?
Rating according to data. See, here rating is not categorical variable.
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 1. Practice assignment.
Sir, rating is a continuous variable or discrete variable?
No.
Discrete.
You can rate like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then question number 4 says it's a
continuous. See, listen to me. Please raise your hand and I will go one by one. Okay. See, and rating is, you can say it's a discrete, and average rating will be continuous. Because if you calculate the average, so it can take any value between 1 and 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So average rating will be continuous and rating will be discrete.
But some website may have a rating system, like you can give rating from 1 to 1.5, also 2.5, something like that, in decimals also.
No. See, that's what I'm saying. Don't go with like if it's in decimal, then it will be continuous. If it's integer, then it will be discrete. No.
Oh, okay.
See, this one. If you discrete is one which can take distinct value on the real number line. First thing. Second thing, you can count. Okay. Suppose you have rupees. Okay. So you can count. You have 12.5 rupees, 13 rupees, 30 rupees, and 50 paise. and and it can take distinct value on the real number line, so it will be the discrete in that case. And continuous is one in which in an interval it can take any type, any value, and measurement is involved there.
Means which we can't count. Like
yeah
the
you cannot
amount
count,
of rice
but
in a
you can
kg.
measure it.
Yeah, suppose the rice granules in a kg.
Mhm.
It is a continuous variable.
No, can you repeat yourself?
For example, the rice granules in a kg of rice. Question is said that we have to the rice, one single rice granule in 1 kg of rice. So is that a continuous or a discrete variable?
Actually, I did not get what we say. Rice. What my
The rice that we
So
eat.
he's saying from
It can be like anything, right? Like so 1.2 kg, 1.3 kg.
yeah
So
yeah
it's
yeah yeah
continuous.
yeah yeah yeah.
It's
That's why I'm
continuous.
saying.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
hand.
why I'm saying. Weight weight you can measure in kilogram. So concept of measurement is involved there. And suppose you have okay, suppose you have
Now someone asks that we have to count a single rice that is present in a kg.
no, you cannot count, I think.
That's why it is
That
a
is impossible.
continuous
Yeah.
variable.
Yeah. If you can count, then it will be discrete. Okay. Suppose
So
you
yeah,
have 1 kg rice, and you are counting like 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice, 4 rice, 5 rice, then it will be the
right.
yeah.
Sir, if
But
we are taking ratings from users like 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we label them as poor, good, excellent, and very excellent, then
it
the
will be
scale of
ordinal.
so the scale of measurement, what will be the scale of measurement?
Ordinal.
सर अगर हमें ये पता है कि उन दोनों के बीच का गैप बिल्कुल इक्वल है 1 and 2, उनका डिफरेंस बिल्कुल सेम है जैसे 2 and 3 के इक्वल, तो वो इंटरवल नहीं हो सकता.
Then it's interval. Yeah.
See.
Interval.
But sir, we are labeling them.
See, if you are labeling, suppose I'm saying, see, you can label like 0, 1, 2, 3, anything. No? You can label as like I'm labeling 10 as bad, labeling 11 as average, labeling 12 as good. Yeah, suppose I'm saying I can label as 12 average and labeling 13 as good. So it can be anything. That it will come under the ordinal.
Sir, if we take 10, 11, 12, and 13, the difference would be same between the.
But if you are coded, then it will be ordinal. Okay. If you are not coded, just given the interval like rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will be the interval. Yeah. See, there is a request and instruction also. Please mute yourself and raise your hand, and I will go one by one. Okay.
Sir, I have a question from hospital data set.
See, listen to me. Someone has asked about 7th question, and after that I will.
The ninth one,
right?
Yeah.
The 5th one is also doubt.
Okay. No worry. Yeah. Which of the following is our cases observations for the given bike data set? I think KTM 790 and Yamaha MT, right?
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
These two answer. Yeah. What is your doubt?
Sir, it's a variable.
No. See. Okay. See. Suppose. Let me take this data. So just give. Tell me 1 and 2. Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki. Okay.
Sir, Yamaha is case.
Bike brand.
But.
Yeah. Let me. Bike. Okay. Suppose there is Yamaha and another Yamaha. Okay.
Sir, but bike brand can be one. Na?
Sorry.
Bike. Yeah.
See. What is case?
Sir, one brand is Yamaha.
No. Don't go with the one brand. See, listen to me. Suppose
Sir,
there is
has different models.
See, listen to me. there is suppose student's name, okay, and there is marks of the student, okay. Suppose there is someone, suppose there is student name is Suman and he scored 78, and there is Ramesh and he scored 89, and suppose there is Mohan and he scored 92, and there is suppose XYZ, any one student, and suppose there he scored 68 marks, okay. And you are given data like this, right? See, column, it's always variable. What is variable? Variable, it means varying, okay. So see, if you can see, there is variation, okay. Okay.
Yes, sir, I got it.
So it will
Very well.
So why serial
variable,
numbers are
and
not
marks will also vary.
as
78,
variable?
89, then it will be a variable. What? Sorry?
So why serial numbers are not considered as variable?
See, serial number is not a variable. If you suppose there is not a column of serial number, then you can also count like this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Okay. In general, serial number is not
nominal variable.
Serial number is not considered as a variable at all. Okay. See, let me complete his doubt. See, what is case? Case is something, and each case has its own row, and case or observation is same thing, and it should be unique. Okay. Suppose see,
It should be unique.
Yeah, case should be. This is a case. Okay. This is also case, and this is a also case or observation. This is a another observation. So it's a unique. Okay. Suppose there is suppose there is another Suman, and in the class, and he scored suppose 80 marks, and I'm saying tell me marks of this Suman. So you don't know who is this? Please mute yourself. I think there is you don't know sorry. Suppose there is two Suman, okay, and I'm asking for the marks of Suman. So you don't know which Suman for no. I'm asking about the first or two. So it should be unique. Cases should be unique. Observations should be unique. So in that case, suppose there is another column of roll number. Suppose he has roll number of 21, he has roll number of 22, he has roll number 23, 24, 25. So in that situation, this roll number will be cases. Okay, because it is a unique.
Sir, as here we are seeing that Suman is being repeated twice, so Suman is not a case here.
Yeah.
And
cases should be unique.
And all values under the variable student name will also not be cases. Okay?
Yeah. Then suppose it's a good point. Suppose here is Suman is repeated, so it will not be cases. And
no observation will be a case in students.
Neither this, neither Ramesh, neither Mohan,
nor XYZ. In the question, that practice assignment question 1.291.
What will be someone, sir, if it is not a case?
Sorry. So see, then roll number will be your cases. Okay. So similarly, if you see,
someone will be a variable.
No, Suman is not a variable. Student name is a variable because it's varying. Okay, Suman is not a variable.
By question, sir, the table one.
Yeah, see, in this table, if you see Yamaha is repeated, here Yamaha and Yamaha. Yeah, that's why it's not a case. Then you will go for the next column. See, bike name is unique.
Bike name is unique. That is
for Yamaha. If suppose I'm saying Yamaha YZF R1, so you will
yes,
know.
Sir, I want to say something about this. That hello.
Yeah.
Sir, we can know this by because sir, in the upper it's written that Naresh wants to know the specifications of all the major bikes available. He don't want to know the specifications of major bikes brands. That's why we would use major bikes as the cases, not bike brands. This is my thought.
It's okay.
The unique value is taken.
Yeah, it should be unique. See,
The primary key of
every
the table
person
must be
has, every person has different way of thinking and understanding. So it's okay, but just remember the concept that cases or observations should be unique and it has its own row. So what I'm saying, yeah. See, this case has its own row. This roll number has its own row, and this roll number has its own row. And suppose generally you can say variable has its own column. So this is the variable. It has its column, and marks is a variable. It has its column. Roll number is a variable. It has its column. Okay. Yeah, I think.
Yes, sir. My doubt.
Sir, I have a related question here.
Yeah.
In the hospital data set, actually there's a column called date. So what kind of data set data it is? Like it is a variable or a case? The date column.
Date column. See.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Like,
one second. Suppose you have column of date and 1 January, 2nd January, 3rd January. Okay. Then this is date is a variable. Okay. But 1 January is a case. 2nd January is a case. 3rd January is a case. Okay.
And what if there are multiple records for the same date?
Again, there after 3rd January.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
What if there are multiple records for the same date?
After 3rd January again.
Suppose there is 3rd January again. Okay.
Yeah.
So there can be, there should be mentioned like some week or day like. But their case will be only in that case it should be unique. Suppose at the 1st January there is Saturday.
January, 2 January can't be cases.
See, and 2nd January it's on Sunday and it's on Monday. I think it will be again Monday. Okay. So see, cases should be unique.
Can
so
you
there
please
will be
open the
another
data set, hospital data set once, and can you please share that? We can discuss on it. Like, yeah, because there's no column in that data set which has which is a case. I think like all are variables.
Yeah, so in that case, if suppose there is no column in which cases of the property of case is satisfied, then I think there will be no case. But there should be, I think, because some data should be unique. Suppose some coding, because in future, how can I know? This data is produced on this data is produced on that day.
If there are serial numbers, then we can call them cases.
No, but we cannot include serial number as cases, right?
Yeah, there should be something.
There should be some different column, na, which have
Yeah.
Can we take combination of two variables like January 3 on Monday or on Sunday, like this for case?
See that yeah. See, that's why I'm saying there will be some column, something that will yeah, that should be unique. In that case, suppose there is column of repeating TVS, Yamaha, Suzuki, but there is some column bike name. Yeah, suppose you have medical data, so it can be like your hospital's name. Okay. So it can be unique.
But it's the same hospital, like all the patients are visiting the same hospital, so it's not a variable.
There can be a column of registration number, na?
Yeah, there can be registration number, or suppose there is some different disease for different disease. Suppose I'm saying on 1st January I have recorded data for fever, and on 2nd January I have recorded for data for jaundice, like this. So there should be something which will be unique, and if it's unique and it has its own row, then it will be the cases. Okay, there should it's you can decide on the after looking at the data. by on assumption it can be anything. It can be there is absence of variable, there is absence of cases. You can say anything, you can assume anything. Okay, but just what is your data, and on the behalf of that you can decide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, what is the
Sir, I have
next
a
question?
Sir, I have a question on the EMQ part that was introduced recently on
Yeah,
week.
see. I think Isan sir has explained in the last session, so you can watch. In the I think in starting of the session, he has
But the thing is, yeah, I got that. But the thing is, they use Windows distribution system, so they type the answer in Notepad. But in case of mine, I use Linux, so there is no Notepad in the operating system.
You can use any text editor.
any text file, any
Yeah,
TXT file.
I use any text editor, but the thing is, when I run the test cases, it says that the codec can't be run or something
I
like that.
think you have to submit directly, right?
Oh, I can't just test the.
Yeah, you have to import your TXT file and you have to submit.
And one more thing, the TXT, we can't just upload TXT file. We have to upload the .zip file. The other thing that I've confused.
No. Can you repeat your last sentence? Actually, I did not get.
In one video, I saw that we have to upload .txt file, right? But when I go to the actual portal, they tell me to upload .zip file.
Actually, he told us to ignore the zip and then
Yeah. Actually,
Oh,
I
okay.
have yeah.
Maybe I missed that.
Yeah. I think you have missed. Yeah, see,
Okay.
who is Avigna? I think. Sorry if I'm incorrectly pronounced. Avigna is there. Oh, and who is so Suraj Paswal, right? Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think next one is Aman Kumar Patel. Is not also there. And next is,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Aman.
Sir, my all doubt got cleared. Should I stay or leave? Is there any announcement?
It's no, there is not not at all any announcement. Okay, so it depends on you. You can stay on, but it will be beneficial for you if you staying here. Yeah, next one is Jad Ahmed.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have not understand the absolute zero property, sir.
Okay. I will. You are Aman, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jad. After absolute zero, I will come to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, I'm repeating this. No worry. See, absolute zero means suppose I'm saying there is absolute zero property. That means absence of something. Suppose I'm saying I have 0 packet of biscuits. 0 biscuits. Suppose 0 biscuits. That
Yes,
means
sir.
you don't have in suppose you have no biscuits.
Yes, sir.
So absolute zero means a simple things. If there is absolute zero, there is zero. That should be meaning of absence of that thing.
Okay.
Suppose I'm saying 0 degrees Celsius. That doesn't mean there is no temperature. You can't say there is no temperature.
Yes, there was also some temperature.
Yeah, there will be also some temperature. It can be negative -1 degree Celsius, -2 degrees Celsius. Okay?
Yes.
Then in that case, absolute zero property is not
Will be
fulfilled.
void. Yes.
So that's it. That's the simple meaning of absolute zero.
Okay. Then number of cylinders at which scale comes under number of cylinder?
I think this is in graded assignment, right? Yeah. So please think about that. Okay.
Sir.
If just go with the simple concept. Zero means absence of that thing. If this property is satisfied, then it will be the ratio. Otherwise, it will be the interval. You can apply simple trick if it's going in negative -1. Suppose temperature it can negative, no, -1°C, -2°C.
And ratio will be not in a minus.
Yeah, because it's studies. Yeah, next one is Jayad Ahmed. Yeah, Jayad, you can ask your doubt.
Sir,
yeah.
doubt on discrete and continuous numerical variables.
Negative number comes under interval scale. But I am not clear in this, sir. It can come under interval also. Though. Means it comes under interval, but it can come under ratio also.
Negative value?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, if we divide it.
See, first tell me what is your doubt. Actually, I did not get your point.
Sir, about the negative number. So I've explained -3 degree, -4 degree temperature.
Okay.
Comes under interval. So I didn't understood that how it comes under interval.
See, in interval scale, there is it does not satisfy the absolute zero property. Okay. And what is the absolute zero property means? Suppose I'm saying 0, that means suppose I'm saying 0 biscuits, suppose in general. That means there is no biscuit. Okay, first understood the meaning of the absolute zero. If this property is violated, then it will be the interval scale. Suppose I'm saying 0°C temperature. Okay, so that you can't say, right, there is no temperature, right? You can't say these things. There is some temperature at all if it's a 0°C. So here absolute zero property is absent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if absolute zero property is absent, then it can take it can take negative value. I doesn't mean like if there is no absolute zero, then it will take a negative value always. But if it takes negative, then it will be the interval because absolute zero property is absent.
Okay, sir, but interval scale can be converted into ratio scale.
Yeah, converted.
So if we take the case of this temperature only, if in between intervals, then it by subtracting and by division, it can be
no, only by subtraction you can change, from interval to ratio.
Sir, I have a doubt related to this interval variable only.
Okay.
Sir, why the ratio does not have any meaning for the interval variables? Like in the video, sir, she said that we can't say that 40°C is double of 20°C. Why can't we say that?
See, I think in temperature, suppose I'm saying it's what is minimum value? I think -273, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, suppose I'm saying I have 30°C. Okay. And here you have suppose 60°C. Okay. And in interval, there is absence of absolute zero property, See, you can you say this much reach to this point? Okay, is twice than twice of the to reach this point?
No, sir.
So
because
that's why
this is much larger. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
that's why it's come under the interval scale and absolute zero is absent.
Okay, sir.
Suppose I have suppose here is A and here is B. Okay, and he has 4 pens and he has 8 pens. Okay, and here is 0 pen. So if there is there is absolute zero property. 0 pens means there is no pen. Okay, and here I can clearly say that B has twice 2 times of number of pins than the A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Because from this to this point, to reach this point, you have 4, and this point to this point, you have 4. So you can say there is twice, what I'm saying. Yeah, there
Sir,
B.
understood, sir.
You can say in general B has 2 times of the A. In general, you can apply for the marks. Suppose someone has 20 marks and someone has 14 marks. So you can say B scored twice marks than the A. Okay.
Sir, if temperature is measured in Kelvin,
then it will be ratio. Because there is, I think, lower limit of Kelvin is 0 degree Kelvin, and it cannot take negative value, right?
Okay, sir.
Sir, could you
Then,
please explain how to convert like interval scale into ratio scale by with the help of subtraction?
See, suppose you have, suppose that there is a university 1 and there is another university 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And for education level, there is some rating like suppose 3, 4, 5, 6, and
Yes, sir.
here is a rating like suppose 7, 2, 5, and 3. Okay. So by subtraction, absolute zero property can be. So suppose it will not, suppose there is 7, it can't take negative value. Sorry about that. So it will be the ratio scale because absolute zero property is there.
Okay. It means like 0 can be possible with the help of subtraction only in that case.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Next one is Himanshu.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
I have a doubt related to the phone number data type. So is it like categorical data and it is nominal, right? Because it just has label and we cannot order them. So is it correct?
Yeah. See, phone number is a categorical data. Okay. And for this data, you have to use nominal scale of measurement.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Because you cannot compare, you cannot order, you cannot rank this. Suppose you cannot say like your phone number is much better than my phone number.
Correct. Yeah.
And so that's why it will come under the nominal scale
Nominal
of
scale.
measurement, and it's a categorical data. See, just remember, data has 2 types: categorical data, and second one is numerical data. Okay. And for categorical data, you have to use 2 scales of measurement: nominal and ordinal. And for numerical data, you will use 2 scales of measurement: interval and ratio. According to depends on the data type. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
So
Next one is
similar question is there. Is pin code is numerical data?
Pin code is a categorical data. See, numerical data is one. Suppose if you are saying numerical data, that means there is some meaningful mathematical. There is some meaningful mathematical operation. Yeah. Suppose I cannot generate. Yeah. One second. Suppose pin code is 2200 this and 100 this. Okay. See the pin code of North Delhi. See, you can't say like this difference of this pin code is suppose if you are differentiate, then there is some meaningful subtraction, or will there be any some meaningful addition? Yeah, or you can say this one is this pin code is much better than this pin code, or this pin code is much better than this pin code. You can't say like this. Okay. So if you
So
are
we
saying
can't do any
numerical,
arithmetical operation over there.
yeah, you can't do any arithmetic operation. There will be no meaningful mathematical meaning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pin code
Got
is
it?
nominal
Sir.
data, sir.
Yeah, pin code is nominal.
Sir,
Yeah.
Normalization of a student score is interval or ratio
Normalization. I think
of a student score.
What is meaning of normalization? What do you mean by normalization? You are
Means
saying
ki marks of a student score examination in the examination.
see marks. It will be a ratio.
Okay.
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 Okay. Next one is I think.
But sir, in ratio scale, number can also have a negative. Ratio can also will be a negative.
No. Ratio cannot be negative, right? Because it has absolute zero property. It cannot go below this.
Okay.
Okay.
So if concept of negative marking is also introduced, then it will be an interval scale of measurement.
Yeah, it's in graded. Okay. So please think, and after that, there will be a session for graded.
Okay.
What is CGPA? What will be CGPA? Like decimal 9.4, 5.6. So what it will be? Which scale?
See, you are CGPA is 9.68. It can take anything, like, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will be the. You are asking about scale.
Yes, sir. Which scale means it will be?
See, it will be interval scale. Because CGPA, I think, what is the lower limit of CGPA? I think it's
4 is
4.
the
Zero, sir.
minimum.
Zero, I think.
No, it's not
0 to
0.
10, right?
4 to 10.
4
to
to
10.
4.
If it's there is not absolute 0, then it will be interval scale. Okay. Yeah. Next one is Sri Vidya.
Yeah, would marks obtained by a student be a continuous or a discrete variable?
It's discrete. Suppose I'm saying, suppose you have 5 students, A, B, C, D, and E, and he scored 75 marks, and he scored 52, and he 38, and he 60, and he scored 92. So you can count, and you can, it can take distinct value on real number line. Okay, so this will be the discrete.
Okay.
See,
But
just
what if there is a decimal also?
No, don't go with the decimal. Suppose I'm saying someone has scored 92.5 marks.
Right.
In that case, you can count.
Yeah, I can still count.
Okay, and you can plot on the, suppose 92 is here and 92.5 is suppose is here. So you can, it can distinct value on real number line. Okay.
Right.
But I have a question, sir, here.
Yeah.
Again, if the concept of negative marking is there, then the marks can take any value between 0 and 100.
If your statement you're contradicting. You are saying it can take negative and it can take 0 to 100. Either will be either it can take negative or it will be between 0 to 100.
Okay, sir.
No, sir. If there is a positive marking for correct answer and negative marking for
see, suppose you have some data, okay, and marks, how can how generally marks generally marks is given like this, 68, 68.5. You have watched any marks 68.376?
No, nobody
no,
gets
I am
marks.
asking for scale, sir.
Scale, right? That's why I'm saying it is it will be ratio. If
No,
there is
sir, if there will be a negative marking in a
yeah,
marks.
is see, this question is in graded, so you have to think about this, and after submission of the graded we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Next one is I think Ravi Srivastava, right? Yeah, Ravi.
Yes, sir,
Hello.
I have a doubt in practice assignment 1.1 question number 2.
I think 1.1 is different for everyone. This one, this question, or I think you have.
No, this not. We have
Sir,
reference.
I have doubt in this set.
Okay. Just
Question
tell
number
me.
5.
Ravi, after that I will go. I will come to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
The question number 5.
This.
Oh no, sir, it's not there in this set.
Yeah. See, actually, in practice 1.1, you will get different question for everyone. So just tell me what is your question?
1 minute, sir. Sir, check the correct statements from the following. Revenue generated by India through tea exports to 10 different countries in a year 2010 is a cross-sectional data.
1 second. Yeah, I get it. Got it.
Yes,
yeah. See, have you got the concept of what is cross-sectional data and what is time series data?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, revenue generated by the first tell me according to you which options are correct.
So second and third.
According to you, second and third should be
correct.
Okay. And check. Actually, you are wrong because see, your options are contradicting. See, here you are saying like for the year 2010, it's a time series data, and again you are saying for year 2000 to 2010 is a time series data. See, first one is correct and third one is correct. Because what is cross-sectional data? A data which is calculated of a fixed time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Here
data is collected in year 2010. Here time is not vary, and time series data collected over time means time will vary. And here data your time is varied from it's a variation of 10 years. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 up to 2010.
Data is collected from over the year, over the time.
Then it will be the time series data and it will be the cross-sectional data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ravi. Yeah, Ravi. Can you tell me your question? I can.
Variable with an interval scale of measurement may be converted into ratio scale of measurement
by subtraction. By subtraction.
Sir, Biju here. I have the same doubt. I mean, that the previous one has. I mean, it's really. I have asked the forum also, but the answer which I got, I'm still confused. So I would like to write it again.
In this time series and cross-sectional.
Yeah, time series and cross-sectional.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
So in one of the supplementary document which I have given in the supplementary document, PDF file. So the question is like that: if you record that, my doubt is like this: if you record the temperature of a specific city, for example, I'm recording the temperature of Delhi at 9 a.m. and 12 and 4 p.m. Different time. So fixed time. Time is fixed: 9, 11, and 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. for a month. So I'm recording it for a month on a fixed time. So my doubt is it a time series or cross-sectional?
See,
it's a cross-sectional data.
Just listen. Suppose I'm collecting the data of Delhi. Okay.
Yeah.
For
9 a.m.
About 9 a.m.
11
10 a.m. 11 a.m. and 12 a.m.
For
in
a
a
month.
day. For a month.
Yeah.
Suppose
Every day.
For a month.
Yeah.
Every day. Okay. So it will be the time series data. Because for a month you are calculating for if what you are collecting the data over time.
Over time.
Okay. Suppose I'm saying in Delhi, in Chennai, in Punjab. Okay. I'm measuring the temperature of this in suppose on Sunday. Okay, so
Yeah.
and it's the whatever x, y, z, whatever. So it will be a cross-sectional data because at the fixed time. So places will be different, but time will be same. Here places will be same, but time will be different.
Okay. So it's a time series.
Yeah, it's a time. It will be a time series. Suppose I'm collecting data. Suppose instead of Sunday, I'm collecting data overall a month. Okay. For a month in Delhi, for a month is Chennai, for a month is Punjab. Then it will be cross-sectional because here month is fixed.
Yes, right. And my where the doubt comes is in the same document, it states that the temperature recorded at a particular instant of time is cross-sectional data. So my doubt is, are we recording for a particular instance of time? Because we are recording the multiple instant, or or something wrong, my understanding. So for example, if we record at the 9 a.m. or a specific time for all the day, is it a cross-sectional? Or if you record a multiple instance of time, for example, 9.
Just simple watch. Simple time is vary or not. Okay. See. Yeah. Suppose on the limit, suppose I'm considering about only Sunday. Okay. In Delhi, suppose at 9 a.m. and 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. Suppose then it will be the time series data. Got it?
Yes.
Because your time is vary. Okay. See the difference. Place is one. Place is common, but time is vary. Okay. Suppose
variables.
Yeah, that see, listen to in this revenue generated by India during the period. Revenue generated by the India, but period is vary. Okay. See.
Yeah.
One second. Suppose revenue generated by the India and period is vary. Suppose 2000, 2001 and 2002. I'm taking just these three. So there is a time series data because time is vary. And suppose I'm saying in 2000 revenue generated by the India, revenue generated by suppose Pakistan. Yeah, who is this? Please mute yourself. Okay. Yeah, where I was. And revenue generated by Pakistan is something, and revenue generated by China is something. So here, time is fixed, but places are vary. Okay. So if time is fixed, then it will be the cross-sectional data, and here time is varies, then it will be the time series data. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Clear.
Okay.
Thank
Fine.
you.
Yeah. Next. Yeah. Anyone has Rabi? I think Rabi has doubt.
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, if is a day cow. Sir, if difference is not same, then is this is a continue. This is a time series data or cross-sectional data.
Can you repeat? Actually, I did not get you.
That is there 2000 2020. If is not same difference like is 2000 2003 and 6.
It can be anything. It can be anything.
Yeah.
It cannot mean that if it is 2000, then it should be 2001.
Yeah.
It can be 2003. It can be 2006. But time will vary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next one, I think Biju GT.
Yeah, I have just asked the question, so I'm
okay, fine. And
Thank
next one is Mr. Blue.
So I don't get the answer.
So I have a doubt.
For this?
No, sir. 1.1 question number 2.
1.1. See, tell me what is question. Actually, in practice 1.1, questions are different for everyone. Is this question, or you can tell me the question?
Yeah, the ratios of the subtraction question.
Sorry. interval to ratio, right?
Yeah.
See, suppose you have a rating of any university 1 and second university is 2. So suppose this is the another university, this is the another university, and you give the rating 7, you give the rating 5, you give the rating the 4 and it will be 6. Okay, anything out of 10. And for second university, rating is 6, rating is 5, rating is 3, rating is 2. So by subtraction, you will come at the ratio scale, because it will be 1, it will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 4. So there will be absolute zero property. Okay.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I think next one, Mr. Blue, right?
Sir.
Yeah. What is it about?
So the point I don't understand is in the scale of measurement, like in interval scale of measurement, when we say mathematical operations like multiplication and division doesn't make sense, then what do we need to multiply or divide by for it not to make sense? With simple integers or with the data?
No. You see, in interval, generally you cannot perform at multiplication and division. Suppose in interval, there is absence of absolute zero. Zero is not present.
Yes, I'm clear about that.
Okay. And it can take negative value.
Yes, I'm also clear about that.
Okay. See, suppose someone has 4 and someone has -2. Okay. So can I say 4 divided by -2, and can you say that suppose there is A and there is B. Can you say that this is the -2 times of B? There is some meaning.
No, we cannot say.
Okay. Suppose just take the example of temperature. I think minimum is 273 or 243. I'm not sure about it. I think is it okay? Actually, this lower limit objective, I don't. I think.
Yes, sir. -273.15.
Okay. Then it's right. Say suppose there is -273. Okay. And suppose I'm saying there is 30 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. So can you tell to reach this point 30 degrees Celsius is half of to reach the point 60 degrees Celsius?
No, we cannot.
Or can you say to reach this point 60 degrees Celsius, is this twice of this one?
No, we cannot.
So that's why interval scale, on interval scale, you cannot perform multiplication and division. Twice means 60 divided by 30 is equal to 2. Okay.
Sir, as the previous question says, we are collecting data from 10 different countries to check the revenue. Okay. So, yes, sir. So my question is, as we are collecting the data of 10 different countries in 2010, can't we interpret it as we have collected the revenue data over the 2010? Then it cannot be a time series data.
No. See, suppose I'm saying for the year 2010, I'm collecting the data monthly.
Yes, sir.
For India, I'm collecting the data monthly. Suppose for January, February, March, April, up to December. Then it will be the time series.
Okay.
So time should be vary. In what context you are saying time? So see, suppose sometime time will vary in minutes also. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So it will also time according to data. What is your data? What is purpose of your data? So on that, it depends on the data. So after that, if you observe that time is vary, then it will be time series data. If time does not vary, then it will be the cross-sectional data.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
And next one is Harsh Gupta. I think Rajiv Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Rajiv.
I have a question, sir. Whether cell in an organism, pixel on a computer screen are an example of discrete data or numerical data?
Can you repeat actually?
Sir, our body cell.
Body
Cell of our bodies. Sir.
Cells of body.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Or pixel on a computer screen. Pixel on a computer screen.
Okay.
Pixels are an example of discrete or continuous data. Actually, sir, my doubt is these are countably infinite, but it's an integer. We can count it. So
yeah, if you can count it, then it will be discrete. Okay. Suppose you can counting like this, and so on. It can be 1000 and so on. And it take distinct point or real number, right? Then it will be the discrete.
Yes, sir. Okay,
okay.
Sir.
It can,
Sir, can
real
we
number
say
line
that
is minus infinity to infinity. Okay. If it's taking distinct values on the real number line, then it will be the discrete and concept of count. If you're measuring something, then it will be the continuous.
Okay, so it means it is discrete.
Yeah, if you can count, then it will be discrete.
Okay.
Is it necessary that discrete only needs to have some of like integers value, like natural numbers value, like 1, 2,
No,
3?
you can't say. Suppose I'm saying I have 12.5 rupees, 12 rupees and 50 paise. So I can count it. And it can take a distinct. Suppose here is 11 rupees and here is 11.5 rupees, here is 12 rupees, here is 12.5 rupees. So it is taking a distinct value on the real number as well. Okay. And
all it needs to have is finite, right?
Yeah. Finite. No. See, you can count. If you can count, then it will be the discrete. It can be infinite thing like.
It means that it should take only distinct values.
Yeah. And you can count. Suppose
Yes,
I'm saying I have interval of weight, like suppose 40 to 80. Okay. Suppose I have 10 people. So weight of these 10 people can take any value from this interval. Right? It can, any person can have weight of like 52.37 kilogram, 63.275 kilogram, anything it can be. So, and you are measuring the weight in kilogram, then it will be the continuous. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Next one is Harsh Gupta.
Hello, sir. I have a question. Question number is.
Yeah. Which question?
EQ 1.3, question 4. What kind of variable is latitude? So,
I think 1.3.
Yes, sir. 1.3, question 4.
Latitude is some geographical change, right? Yeah. According to you, what should be?
It should be numerical and discrete.
No. I think what I'm not sure about latitude. It's some geographical things, right?
Yes, right? So it's a geographical term, sir.
And I think it can take any value if I can, as I can remember.
This is categorical. I think this question was repeated before one. I think earlier lecture, same question was asked, and it has negative values. Latitude has negative values, so according to that,
I think it's an I can remember it's an angle which ranges from 0 degree to equator up to 90 degree, right?
Also can take negative. It also can take negative values, sir.
So don't go with the negative. It's about numerical and discrete, numerical and continuous. So what you have to consider negative and 0 in that case, if you are considering about the measurement scale, which scale you have to apply, then go with the negative and 0 property. But just tell me, it can take, I think, any value. So that's
yes, any value. It can take any value between the intervals.
Latitude is as I can remember, it's a it's like, it's an angle which ranges from 0 degree at equator to 90 degree.
Yeah.
And it can take any angle. Okay. So that's why it's and you know, see, just go with the concept. You are measuring this. Okay. You are measuring in degree. Latitude, you can measure in degree. Okay.
Sir, this is also measured in degree, minute, and second also.
Okay. So if you can measure and it can take any value, then it will be a continuous, simple things.
Okay, sir, got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm not sure about only latitude. That's right. Next one is Tanya Jha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Tanya.
practice assignment 1.2, question number 12.
1 second. Let me go. Yeah, what is that?
So question number 13, actually why it is descriptive.
Okay, see. What is question? If all the residents of the locality participated in the survey, what statistical analysis can be done using the data? See, what is
Yes.
see,
because we are not deriving
what is
any
descriptive?
conclusion about the
No. See, you can see what is descriptive. You know, descriptive can be performed on a sample or
As well
population
as
also.
population. Yes, sir.
Okay. And in that question, if you read carefully, all the residents of the locality participated in the survey.
Yes, sir.
Means all the residents, means all population is participated in the survey. And in that case, if see, suppose there is, I'm saying 100 people.
Okay.
100 is your population, just for assumption. Okay. So suppose 100 people is in your population. Okay. And you are saying 59%, that means 59 of the residents consider COVID-19 to be a serious disease and 41 consider it as normal flu. So if you are considering the population, whole population, and you are summarize about the population, means 59 consider as serious and 41 consider as normal flu. So that's why it's the descriptive statistics. And in inferential, see, I think next one is inferential, right? Yeah. See,
yes.
Suppose here is say, suppose the survey collected data. So survey collected data from 100 of the locality, means he selected only 100 of the sample taken at the random. Now what statistical analysis can be done? See, I'm by mistake take it as 100. Suppose this is 100. Suppose this is a 1000. Okay, 1000 is your population, and out of these 1000, 100 were selected randomly. Okay, and they are giving like this. So it's a sample data, and you are making prediction on the behalf of sample data for the population. So it will be the inferential. You are not performing the inferential statistics on population. And descriptive, in descriptive, you are considering the sample as well as population. And in that question, it's clearly mentioned that all the residents of the locality, means all population participated in the survey, and after that it will be the descriptive statistics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Question number 14.
Excuse me,
14,
sir. Question number 12 too.
14 or 12?
14.
Yeah. So 14 I have cleared, right? See, in 14 it is saying that survey collected data from 100 of the locality, means there is a sample data of 100 people. Okay, on the behalf of 100, he is making the two statement, statement 1 and statement 2, right? So that's why on the behalf of sample, he making the prediction for the population, he making the conclusion for the population. That's why it will come under the inferential statistics. Okay, got it?
I have different question. You first clear the question 12, then I will ask my question.
Okay. Yeah, for question 12, which of the following is a cases or observation for the above data? Person who answered the survey. Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is the answer. Person who answered the survey. Because see, suppose there is, suppose in general I'm taking, there is 5 persons, okay, who answered the survey. So suppose there is A, B, C, D and E. So it will be cases or observation because it will be the unique. Okay, that's why it will be the cases or observation. So persons who answered for the survey will be the cases or observations, right? Yeah, got it?
Okay, I will repeat my question. So, an online opinion poll was conducted by a film reviewing website to rank Indian films from the 2000s. Among the 1,000 films in the list, Bhag Milka Bhag received the maximum number of votes, followed by Three Idiots and Swadesh respectively. Which branch of statistics does the above analysis come under?
Inferential.
But the answer is descriptive.
Answer descriptive. In which it has?
Actually, it's 1.1 question number 12, but the question is different.
Question number 12.
Yeah, but it's.
I think there is only limit of.
Yeah, it's different.
See. One second. I will. Answer is descriptive, right? Can you repeat your question again?
An online opinion poll was conducted by a film reviewing website to rank Indian films from the 2000s. Among the 1,000 films in the list, Bhag Milka Bhag received the maximum number of votes, followed by Three Idiots and Swadesh respectively. Which branch of statistics does the above analysis come under?
Yeah, answer is descriptive, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. See, you are saying maximum view, okay?
Yes.
See, what is meaning of the descriptive? Means describing the data.
Yes.
Okay. Describing the data means you can say in general to sum up with main points of the something, main points of the data. For example, suppose I'm saying I can calculate the mean, median, mode of some of the data. Okay, describing the data means to sum up the main points of the data. So how anyone can can say like Bhag Milka Bhag is more that he see, suppose he got the 273 view. Okay, I'm just assuming, and 3 Idiots suppose got the 265 view, and he 252 view. Okay, I think it was for this suppose. So you are describing the data means you are count. And what is mod? Do you know, have you heard about the mod?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, what is mod? Mod is something which have maximum frequency. Okay, suppose maximum number of people give the view, give the points for the Bhag Milka Bhag, then it will be the descriptive because you are summarizing, you are describing the data.
Okay,
Initially I said for by mistake inferential. I thought about like on the behalf of previous concept, he just conclude that the bhag milkha bhag is give more obtain the more points, but it will be the descriptive, because see, suppose you have 10 people in general, okay, and 5 people, suppose you have A1, A2 up to A10 person, okay. Suppose A1, A3, A5, A7 and A6 gives the points for bhag milkha bhag, okay, and remaining suppose A2 and which have A4 and suppose A8 give for the 3 idiots, okay, and what have remained A9 and A10 give for the Swadesh. So you are describing data, means you are counting the maximum view for the for which movie we have got, okay. So here bhag milkha bhag has got the more view, okay. You are describe the data, you are counting the data, you are count the maximum number of view, so that's why it will be the descriptive. And on behalf of sample, suppose on behalf of this one, for only 5 people, I'm saying that all over the world people like the bhag milkha bhag, then it will be the inferential. Got my point?
Could you repeat when it will become inferential?
See, inferential means on the behalf of sample data, we make conclusion about the population. Suppose I have sample data of these 5 persons for bhag milkha bhag, okay. On the behalf of this sample, I'm saying all over the world, bhag milkha bhag movie is more like like more likely by the people. So this will be the inferential. On the behalf of this sample data, I'm making conclusion for who all over the world.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and simply you are describing the data, you are summarizing the data, then it will be the descriptive statistics.
There is one more question. I will read that to you.
Yeah.
Because I'm little confused with descriptive and inferential. So,
okay, no worry. Tell me.
Central Pollution Control Board wants to check the air quality index of all major cities in India after Diwali to decide if air pollution is reaching unhealthy levels. To do so, they have come up with a list of all major cities and their respective AQI level, air quality index level, and want to determine which cities among the list have an AQI level greater than 100. What kind of statistics does the above analysis come under?
Okay. AQI greater than 100, right?
Yes.
See, I think I don't get it.
I'll read one more time.
See. No. That I'm saying I was searching about the question. See, you have all major cities, okay? And suppose your cities like Delhi, Chennai, and Haryana, like and Chandigarh, whatever. Suppose I have 4 cities, okay, and you are describing the data. You got the data for Delhi, you got the data for Chennai, you got the data for Haryana, you got the data for Chandigarh, okay, and you are described like for Delhi AQI is greater than 100, and for Chennai it's not greater than 100, and for Haryana it is greater than 100, and for Chandigarh is greater than 100. Okay, so you are describing the data basically. Okay, so it will be the descriptive statistics. Suppose I'm saying on the behalf of Delhi, okay, suppose Delhi has AQI greater than 100. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Suppose I'm saying Delhi's AQI has greater than 100, and then I make conclusion that all the major cities in India have AQI greater than 100, then it will be the inferential. Okay, if you are simply describing the data, you are doing the description, some summarization of the data, then it will be the descriptive. Otherwise, if you make conclusion from on the behalf of sample for the population, then it will be the inferential statistics. Okay. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, fine. Next one is Muhammad Rayan, and after that Harisri. Yeah, Muhammad.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have a question that what is the difference between description and inference?
Descriptive and inferential, right?
Yes, sir.
See, description or descriptive. Next one is suppose inferential. Okay. So what is this descriptive statistics? This is the this is two these are branches of the statistics. Descriptive statistics is something in which we consider with the description and summarization of the data. What is meaning of description and summarization? Suppose I'm saying summarization of the data. Okay. That's a simple meaning that something you are summarizing the data means any numerical you can say graphical summary. Okay. And you can say you can say like in summarization to sum up the main points of the data. Main points of data means you are calculating the mean, mode of the median. Suppose you have data of speeds of bikes, then you can say on an average speed of bikes is 32.5 kilometer per hour. So you are some of the main points of the data. That is the meaning of summarization and description. Okay. And descriptive statistics you can perform on sample as well as population. Okay. And inferential is something in which we are making conclusion from the sample for the population. Okay. Simple, you can say making conclusions for population from sample data. Okay. Suppose I'm saying suppose you might stand in front of a mall and asking for the review for the mall, the people entering and entering in the mall. Okay. And you stand at the mall and you ask for the around suppose 100 people. Okay. And 80 people out of 100, 80 people are saying, yeah, mall is very good. Okay. Then you are making the conclusion. If you are making the conclusion like all the people in that city liking that mall, it will be the inferential, because on the behalf of sample data, you are making the conclusion for whole the population. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I have another question.
Can you repeat the question again?
Yeah. See, I'm saying, suppose anyone has stand in front of the mall and he asks about the around 100 people whether they like mall or not. Okay. And suppose 80, 70, whatever, it depends on your. And suppose 70 people like the mall, and you are saying, suppose this mall is in suppose in Delhi. Okay. And you are saying on behalf of this sample data, you are saying all the people of Delhi like that mall.
Okay.
Okay. Then it will be inferential, because on the behalf of only 100 people, on the behalf of only that sample data, you are making conclusion about the whole Delhi population.
So what will be the descriptive analysis of this data?
See, suppose I'm for this 70 people, I'm I'm drawing some chart. Have you heard about the bar chart? Do you know about bar chart?
Yes,
suppose I'm saying like suppose 100 people, so suppose 70 is about yes and 30 is about no. Okay. Okay. So it will be the descriptive, because you are summarizing the data. You give the some description, you give the some graphical summary. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, one question here. Through descriptive data, we can also make the conclusion. How can we sometimes differentiate?
So see, from descriptive data, you can perform description. You can perform descriptive on sample and population. Okay, and from inferential if from sample you are concluding from the for the population, then it will be the inferential statistics. And descriptive, you can perform on both. Suppose you have sample data, you have population data. So someone has asked about that question, COVID-19 of, I think it was in Chennai, right? If all the all the population participated in the survey, and that 59% says like COVID-19, 59% of person says COVID-19 is a serious, and 41 says like it's a normal flu. Okay, so if all the persons are participating in the survey, then it will be the descriptive, because all you are considering about all the population. And suppose you have 100 people in population. Okay, so on that 100, you are making the suppose someone says 59 says it's serious and 41%, that means 59% said it's a serious and 41 says it's a normal flu. Okay, then it will be the descriptive, because descriptive statistics you can perform on population also. Okay,
but question is like that, but we can okay, when 59% saying flu is COVID-19 is a serious flu, so we can say majority person going with 59,
yeah,
majority person, but then we can say a conclusion like, okay, COVID is a major flu.
See, if you are making the conclusion here, it will be the descriptive. Suppose I'm saying I'm taking out of 100 people only 20 people, okay, randomly, and out of 20 people 59% says it's a serious flu and 41% says it's a normal. Okay, and after that I'm saying that all over the world, all the people over the world saying, so suppose this 100 people is from Chennai, just for example. So if you're saying on the behalf of this data, you are saying that all the people of Chennai saying like majority says that it's a serious flu, then it will be the inferential, because you are making the conclusion from this to this for this. Means from 20 people, on the behalf of this 20 people, you are making the conclusion for the 100 people.
Okay, so got it.
Got it? Yeah. I think next one is Harisri. Yeah, Harisri.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
So please, 1 second, last one doubt. I have a doubt in activity question 1.2.
No, before
Which
going
activity?
there, can I ask doubt here? This 59%.
Yeah, ask. You can ask. Yeah, Harisri, after that I will come to you. Yeah, ask. Please ask.
So, talking about analysis, we can also, like here, proportion of ratios are very less, that 59 and 41. If we take the 20 people from the 100 Chennai people, maybe we took the people who are more likely to say that they are the COVID diseases like severe one.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. One.
Sorry.
And according to that, the inferential statistics will be wrong, no?
No, actually, can you repeat?
Okay. Here, if we say from in 100 Chennai people, 59% people say that COVID is severe disease, and 41 says it is normal.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and if we take the 20% of that, and if from that 20%, if 59% of the people say that it is normal, and 41% of that proportion says that it is severe. In that case, inferential statistics will be wrong, no?
No, you can't say. See. I think you did not get. Actually, see, please understand separately. Suppose I have a population of 100 people in Chennai. Okay, it's a population. Out of this population, I took the sample of 20. Okay, and out of 20, suppose 59% said it's a normal flu, and 41% said it's a serious. Okay, and on the behalf of this analysis, suppose you are saying that all the people in the Chennai said that 59%, you can say, suppose majority says it's a normal flu and 41% says it's a serious, then it will be the inferential. See, according to this, you are making the conclusion for this. Okay, this is the thing. Another thing is that suppose there is 100 people and all the 100 people are participated in the survey, and these 100 people, suppose I'm saying 59% are saying it's a normal flu and 41% are saying it's a serious, then it's a descriptive statistics. Got it? See, on the behalf of this analysis, you are making the conclusion accordingly this. If you are saying like your analysis is this, and you say no, 59% majority says is serious and minority says normal, then it's a wrong conclusion about the population. Then you cannot say like inferential is not applied, inferential is applied, but your conclusion is wrong.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I have one doubt here. Can I ask?
Yeah.
I have a sample that is accurate. I choose the sample in an appropriate manner. I took the some conclusions from the sample. So whether this analysis will be, these decisions made can be accurate or not?
Can you repeat?
I took the sample that is proper. I choose properly, randomly the sample. Sample is perfect. I made some conclusions from the sample.
Okay.
Like what you did here in this case.
Okay.
So this conclusions, can I conclude it as accurate and proper?
See, it depends. That's another thing. What is
Sir, I think, sir,
percentage of
excuse me, sir. I think it's a case of sampling error. By increasing the size of sample, we can reach to a greater extent of accuracy.
No, my sample is okay, perfect. Sample is accurate only.
If the sampling is accurate, size is accurate, sampling is random, then
suppose, what is meaning of accuracy means there is no there is not at all a
Can I say what I concluded from my sample is almost perfect?
So your voice is lagging. Hello?
Yeah, hello. Yeah. It's clear out now.
Yes. Can I say the results obtained from my sample are approximately correct or accurate?
See, in that case, there is remaining there is other parameters, like there is sampling error types of things. Okay, if you there is no sampling error and
Sir, your voice is lagging.
some percentage.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, breaking. Your voice is breaking.
One second.
For example, can I say I have cool drinks I need to test? I took the sample of 100 cool drinks, sir, and I checked the 100 cool drinks. Those are good. So can I say my cool drink company is fine? There is no problems with my cool drinks.
You can say according to your analysis. Suppose your analysis is perfect, means suppose you out of 100 you took the more, suppose you did the inspection, you did the sampling on more of the data. Suppose out of 100 I'm saying that only I took the sample on the only 50, then there is a possibility, there will come possibility of accuracy. Okay, if suppose I'm out of 100 I took the sample of 95, 90, 82, then accuracy will be more.
So if my sample is perfect, my conclusions are accurate almost.
See, it depends on what is your sample size also. And see, and there is no variation. See, this type of things you will know, you will yesterday after few more weeks. Okay, what is variability, what is sample size, like this. Okay, no worry about that.
Okay, fine, thank you.
Okay, fine. Next one is, I think, Muhammad
Sir,
Rehan. Yeah.
Sir, I have another doubt that I can't understand what is discrete and continuous data.
Okay, last time I explained, because I think, yeah, see, discrete is something. Suppose discrete something, discrete variable, it can take, okay, it takes distinct value. Meaning of the distinct value on real line, and you can count it. Okay, suppose I'm saying yeah, number of days to complete project or assignment, whatever. So it can be 1 day, it can be 2 days, it can be 3 days, it can be 4 days, it can be 5 days. So you can count. Okay, and it can take distinct value on the real number line, so it will be the discrete variable. Suppose I'm saying number of accidents, okay, in a month, so it will be the discrete. So it can be one accident, 2 accident, 5 accident, 8 accident, 10 accident, or no accident also. So it will be the discrete. Discrete is simple. You can see, it can take distinct value on the real number line as well. You can count it. Okay, got it till this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, and what is continuous? Continuous, it can take any value along with an interval, and you can see measure it. So suppose there will be a concept of a measurement. Suppose I'm saying weight of a person. Okay, see, you can measure it in kilogram. Okay, and height of a person, you can measure it in centimeter. There is a measurement unit. Okay, speed of a vehicle, you can measure in kilometer per hour, right? Suppose, and I'm saying I have data of 5 persons. Okay, and age of these 5 persons, age is around 20 to 30 years. Okay, so you have to measure the weight. So by generally I'm saying lower limit of 20 years old person, weight will be suppose 40 kilogram and 30 maximum 70 kilogram, and you are measuring this weight of these 5 persons. Okay, so between these two interval, it can take any value. Okay, suppose someone has weight 42.37 kilogram, any value. Someone has weight 47.39 kilogram, and you are measuring in kilogram. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think next one is Suhail Ahmed.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I have doubt in activity 1.1.
Which
question number 12.
Sorry to interrupt, sir, but my doubt has left.
Okay, sorry, what was your doubt?
Sir.
Yeah. See, let her complete. After that, I will come to you. Okay.
You were to tell me the activity question 1.2 is question number 5.
Okay. Sorry about that. Actually, I have forgot about. Sorry about that. Question number 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think web pages, video files, images files.
And why can't the reports?
Reports. See, report. I think here we should mention the clearly what type of reports, because reports can be both types of data. It can be structured as well as unstructured. Okay. Suppose reports of marks. Okay, there is some reports of marks. So it will be in a tabular form. Okay, it can be in tabular form. So in that case, it can be the structured data. And suppose there is some report, police FIR and some medical report, so it can be unstructured as well. Okay, so it can be both type of data according to the data dependency. And I think there is some mistake, and we will correct it. Okay.
Okay, sir. And okay, AQ 1.3 is question number 6.
Question number 6. This one. Quantitative and discrete.
Yes, sir. So my exact doubt was students can complete even in 1.5 day and like something like this. So why can't we take it as a continuous?
See, you can count 1 day, 1.5 day, 1.5 day, 2 day, 3 day, 2.5 day. Okay. See, it's not about timing. See, it's about days. Suppose I'm saying timing, so it can be 1 day, or you can say 24 hour and 15 minutes, like this. 24 hour 15 minutes seconds. It's about day. You can count it. Yeah, you have submit the assignments in this day. You have submitted this assignment after 2 days. You have submit the assignment on 2nd day. You have submit the assignment on 3rd day. So you can count, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And next one is, I think, activity 1, right? Question number 12.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think 5 to 10 minutes before I explained this. It will be descriptive, right?
Sir, I want to understand this line, sir.
Which
rank one? To rank Indian film
okay.
From the 2000s. Sir, what the mean of 2000 here is?
From the 2000, I think 2000 movies.
Sir, I'm confused. In confusion, is it about
I
years?
think yeah. It's about 2000s movies.
Movies.
See, yeah. Because if you see, if you read the next question, next line, this among the 1,000 films in the list. No. Yeah, 1 minute. And online opinion
That's
was
year, sir,
conducted
from
by
2000.
Yeah, it's a year. It's a year.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
go with the confusion. It's a year, and 1,000 films was in the list. And out of these 1,000 films, Bag Milkha Bag received the maximum number of votes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So doubt is your doubt clear, or should I explain anything?
Sir, clear.
Okay, fine. So I think Ayush. Okay.
Sir, it means here the question is asking about movies of 2000, year 2000.
Yeah. It's 2000. So
Okay,
yeah,
sir. Thank
thank you. Just suppose you are saying 1990s movie like this.
Yes, sir.
Ayush. Yeah, Ayush. Hello. Hello, Ayush. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking a lot. Your voice is breaking, Ayush.
Sir, can I ask, sir, one? I think my turn.
Once. Ayush, your voice is breaking a lot.
I have a doubt.
See. Please go in a stable network. Actually, your voice is breaking a lot. We did not get you clearly. Yeah, I think someone was asking about.
Yeah, it's me, Ravikant. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ravi. I think you are in the last term, right?
Yeah. I didn't register that time. I took step one this time.
Okay.
So
Okay.
So my question here is, sir, time series we call it because it varies. That's why I call it as time series. And why we call a cross-sectional? Can we just define the term and what we mean actually? Can you just relate it? The name cross-sectional and the definition.
Okay. See, actually, naming nomenclature, for nomenclature, I'm not sure about it, but I can tell you concept of this. And for nomenclature, I will get back to you in the next.
Okay, sir.
Your
Actually,
basically doubt is why it's called
cross-sectional.
cross-sectional, right?
For time series, it's clear that time series because the time gets vary, so it's pretty clear. But for cross-sectional, the meaning and the definition of what we actually mean, I'm not able to relate it.
See, cross-sectional, I think it's a English it's a English word meaning like at a specific time we are collecting some different data. So okay, I will check and I will get back to you clear way. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, am I audible now?
Anyone has any doubt?
Yes.
Yeah, you are now audible. Yeah.
So my question was, if we talk about year, what kind of measurement of scale is there?
See, what is your data actually?
Sir, like if we have 2000.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Can you
yes, sir.
repeat? Yeah.
So if we talk about year like, sir, if we talk about year like 2000, 2001.
Suppose 2000, 2001. Okay. And suppose it can be 0, means there is no year.
Yes, sir.
So it will be ratio.
So if there is no 0, then it will come under which scale of measurement?
See, if there is 0, there is if any data satisfies the addition, okay, subtraction, multiplication, division, and absolute 0 property, okay, then it will come under the ratio scale of measurement.
But sir, in practice assignment 1.1 question number 4, there it is not correct.
What is it? See, I said it will depend on the data also. See, activity 1.1, right? Activity or practice? Practice assignment.
Sir, we cannot perform division on year.
See, it's a general. If you see, general, we can't say like year comes under the ratio. But I said no. It's depend on the data also. See, first, which question you are saying?
So fourth one.
What is question actually? There is different question. Can you read the question from your?
Yes. So the question is, which of the following variable has ratio scale of measurement?
Okay. And
then
options what?
options are temperature in Kelvin, temperature in centigrade, year, angle measured in degrees.
I think let it be. Yeah, what was the option? Temperature in
Kelvin, temperature in Kelvin and temperature in centigrade.
Okay.
Then year, then angle measured in degrees.
Angle measured in
degree.
These all depends on any data, any table, or it's a different question.
It's a general.
See, temperature in Kelvin will be the ratio.
Ratio scale, yes, I agree with that. Yes.
For Celsius, it will be interval.
Yes, sir.
And year is not. You are saying. I think
it's
year
interval,
is not
sir.
a correct.
Yes, sir. It is not correct there.
It is not a correct. See, year means what is I think data is not present there, right?
Yes, sir.
If it would be number of years, then it would have been ratio. But simply here we cannot perform division and multiplication operations.
Yeah. You are right. I was missing that words. Actually, you can't say like 2002 divided by 1001.
Yes, sir.
And correct option is temperature in Kelvin and
angle in degrees.
Angle in measured in degrees. Okay, so because in degrees there is degree Fahrenheit, degree Kelvin, right?
Yes,
there is some for for degrees Celsius it will be come under the interval only. Okay.
So, sir, when data is not given, then in general.
Yeah, in general. See, in general, actually, you can't say like general. You can't say rating is comes under the interval because it's depend on the what type of rating. It's like a bad, average, good, or it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it depends on if this type of rating it will come under the interval, and this type of rating, then it will come under the ordinal. So actually it's depend on the data, right? Yeah.
Okay,
and
sir,
next one is Sandhya. Thank you guys. Sandhya, right?
Yes,
Sandhya.
sir.
Sandhya.
Is it really important to know the differentiation between scale of measurements, interval, and ratio? Will it really useful in the future in data science?
Yeah, because suppose you have any data, you know that which measurement, which type of scale of measurement can apply it. You have to apply on it. There is some you heard about SPS software?
No.
Hello.
No, I'm not aware.
See, this is just This is software. It is you suppose you enter some data, and there is another page. You have to go on the page and you have to decide. So there is a row, and in which you have to select the data of which type of scale.
Okay.
It's actually it also depends on your type of yesterday type of analysis which type of study you want to do. Okay.
Okay, fine, understood.
Okay, any other doubt, or should we close this session? I think there is one more session on Tuesday, right? I think it's on Tuesday 7 to 9. Solve the session.
Sir, why do we have?
I think. Sorry.
Hello, sir. Why do we have session on weekends, sir?
Actually, this course, some of the, some of you have, some of you are, I think, from working professional as well. Some people, they are joining this course with the job simultaneously. So the session, that's why I think session is on weekend as well. And there is a lot of courses. If you see CT, MLF, MLT, if you join stats 1, stats 2, so all the sessions has planned. So some session has on weekend also, some session has between the weekdays. So it's a planning of the portal team actually.
Okay, sir. But sometime it, yeah, okay. It's
Yeah, it's also, yeah, no. Yeah, I think we should close this session, right?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
Sir, do we need to solve the reference book, which is?
No. See, it's depends on you. Suppose you want to learn more things, then you can read. Otherwise, if you have to know, otherwise content, video lecture, and a live session, you attend a live session, practice assignment, graded assignment, it will be more sufficient.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please once again explain the difference between descriptive and inferential? I am facing doubt while solving the problem.
See, just go. What is the descriptive? Means description and summarization of the data. Summarization of data. Okay. What is meaning of summarization? Like suppose some numerical or graphical summary. Okay. Some numerical or graphical summary. Like suppose in general you can say to some of the main points. Suppose you have some data. Okay, you have some data. Suppose you have data of speed of vehicles. Let's assume speed of vehicles. Suppose 18 km/h, 20 km/h, 30 km/h, and 22 km/h. You have four, and you can calculate average. Okay, you can say like an average speed of vehicle is suppose 23.5 km/h, and you can say maximum average is 30 km/h. Minimum speed of vehicle is 18 km/h. So you are summarizing, you are describe the data. You are concluding some numerical properties. You are some of the main points. Suppose I'm saying about the average, so you are saying on an average about the whole data. Okay, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello, got it?
Yes, I got it.
See, also descriptive statistics you can perform on sample as well as population, because you have this data, you can have this data. So you perform the description and summarization, and also you can perform all the description and summarization. And in inference, we draw conclusions about population from sample data. Okay, suppose I'm saying yeah, suppose I have in total 100 bottles. Okay, and which produces a manufacturing company. Okay, and inspection team go with that company and wants to check the defective pieces of the bottles. So this is the your population. It's your population. So, and for the inspection, I am taking the value 10 bottles. Okay, and out of this 10, I got the 8 bottles of good quality and 2 are of defective. Suppose I'm getting on this data. Then I make the conclusion that 100 out of 100 bottles, more more number of waters are of good quality. Okay. So you are making conclusion on the behalf of this sample analysis, this sample data. You are getting like out of these 10 waters, 8 are of good quality, 2 are defective. Then you say out of 100 waters, more number of waters are of good quality. So on the behalf of these only, you are making the conclusion about the whole number of waters, whole population. So this will be the inferential statistics. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So anyone has any other doubt, or should we close? I think we should close, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.